Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to add multiple receiving account in Payoneer. So guys, first thing that you will do is to go to payoneer.com and just simply sign in into your account to the top right. And now once you are here on your account, just simply go to the get paid on the left side of the screen over here. And now once you are here, go for the receiving accounts on the third one. Now from here guys, as you can see, you will have two options. You will have approved account over here, which is all of your account, and you can have the pending accounts, which is waiting for approval by Payoneer. And in order for you to add more receiving account, you can just simply click on over here, request accounts, and after that you can just simply click on next. And after that, just simply select a country that you prefer. You can go for Eurozone, UK, or Japan. So pretty much it will be depending on you. Let's say I'm gonna select three of them and click on next. And as you can see, just simply click on submit request. And after that, guys, just make sure to provide the necessary information that is being asked in order for you to make this process successful. So now guys, from here, just simply provide the documents that is being asked. So you can just simply click on this to provide your visual identity verification. Just simply click on this icon over here and click on continue. And after that, just simply provide a government issued photo ID or a selfie photo to complete this process. And you should be able to see here on how to do this process as well. So just simply follow the instructions. And once you are done, you can just simply click on the second one, which is receiving account questionnaire. And from here, just simply provide the necessary information for your receiving account. And once you are done, you can just simply click on submit. And after that, guys, they will verify the details and just simply wait for some time in order for them to review your information. And once it is approved, you should be able to use it. And from there, you should be able to add a receiving account. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.